Hi, welcome to my channel. The image that you are about to see might scare you, but I'm just asking you not to judge me. I was just doing my hair, so I was not looking my best. So please don't troll me in the comments. Thank you. Now we can start with the video. It's this Part2 Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. I bought this a long time ago and I ended up not using it because I just didn't like it, to be honest. I had my hair in like these twists, but it might not look like it, but my hair is pretty moisturized. Got some warm water and some olive oil and put it into a bottle. So I'm going to spray my whole hair with this and just rake it through my hair. I want to get everything, but already my hair feels so soft. Now I'm gonna take this Part2 Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream. I'm gonna focus this on my ends, and then once my ends are coated, I'm going to work it throughout my whole hair. But like half of the time when we put products in our hair, even shampoo, even conditioner, or we don't need to put it at the roots of our hair because that's where all the new hair is. Ooh, okay. That kind of made my curls come together. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna take the diamond brush now. Wow, my brush is just sliding through. And do the same exact thing. Because this is what I usually do. I just moisturize my hair once I get out the shower. I like to do this so the next day my hair will be all moisturized and my curls will look good, and all I have to do is just comb it through and style my hair. It just makes the styling process so much easier, and plus you're actually taking care of your hair. Like this is the easiest way to take care of your hair. If you're a lazy naturalist like me, because I'm pretty lazy when it comes to my hair, this is perfect. As soon as you get out the shower and you finish washing your hair, get your oil treatment. Put as much oils as you want and massage your scalp with it. Whatever makes you happy, basically. And then once you do that, you put in your favorite leave-in conditioner or styling products, whatever you use. You braid your hair in a few twists or plaits, braids, whatever, and you go to sleep. Or if you're gonna do a braid out, you do that. Like, I can't wait till my hair gets long enough so I can do a braid out. They're gonna look so cute. But if you're a lazy naturalist, just do this and your hair will still be healthy. Another thing I want to talk about, I think this video is turning into a chat with me video, another one, so might as well. Another thing I want to do is to get my channel together, and I don't know, but there's like this urge in me now that's just telling me, hey, you should definitely take your channel serious now, start posting more and stuff. So yeah, I want to do now. I want to get to 200 subscribers. So if you're watching this video and you so far like me, go ahead and subscribe and put on your post notifications on if you don't want to miss a video from me. Okay, so this is a pretty good, decent section, so I'm going to go ahead, take my big comb and comb this out. I realize when I do my hair, I always start on this side. Pull the rest of the product out of my hair and curl my ends, and voila, our first doodle plait. Okay, we're gonna start in the front now and do the same exact thing. Through, it's not really defining my curls. I thought at first it was, but it's not really doing much to my curls. But my hair sounds like sandpaper. A lot of people like us don't get a lot of love, and it's terrible. So I realized that on the internet, especially on Instagram, hey, those people with the big curls, yeah, those people get all the love, and it's just there, and it's just like what? Yeah, I get it. Your hair is curly, but my hair is curly. Like, my hair is curly. That's like, I feel like for, oh my gosh, the ice cream truck. I feel like 4A hair, 4B, 4C, that's like the curliest and most sensitive hair, if that makes any sense. Because like, our hair is so delicate. If we do certain things to it, it will break, you know? And then when we wash our hair, we have coils, we have curls, it's crazy. Like, we have S curl patterns. Our hair is special. But yeah, before I get any bashment for saying that, I'm just speaking the truth, and that's how I feel. So yeah, I'm not saying that nobody else's hair is gorgeous. If you have straight hair, props to you, honey. If you have wavy hair, props to you, honey. If you have curly hair or coily hair, props to you. I'm not saying to only like 4A hair. I could never, like, what? But all I'm saying is that, like, we need love too. We want self-appreciation too when it comes to our hair. I want to see more 4C hair on the internet. Like, but enough of that rambling and venting. But any hair that you have, hold up. Okay, so any hair type that you have, love it. Any hair that you have on your head, love it. Love yourself, love who you are, because at the end of the day, you only have this one body. And bless all of us that are healthy and strong, and bless the ones that didn't have everything, but they're still living and they're still okay. Bless all of us, but don't go in the mirror and say, oh my gosh, I look like this. Oh my gosh, why do I look like that? My stomach is so big. Like, no, don't do that, because you're self-hating yourself right there. Even when you're thinking it and you're not saying it out loud, you're still self-hating. And I feel like most of us, especially young teenagers that I used to be, I used to look in the mirror and be like, oh my gosh, why do I look like this? Like, you know, I used to low-key hate the way how I look. And now that I'm getting older and I'm realizing that none of this stuff really matters, when you meet the right people in your life, it don't really matter. You're still a human being, you still look great. you know, people will still like you. I feel like people keep forgetting that looks is not everything, because looks can be so deceiving. You can have the prettiest people on earth with the most terrible personality ever. And I'm not just saying that to say that. And if somebody talks smack about other people with you, they're probably talking smack about you behind your back. Out with that negativity. I don't know what this video is. I'm just here rambling and talking about random stuff, but I'm just trying to spread positivity and love. Okay, I'm gonna braid this piece.
I'm not even gonna lie, my hair look questionable right here.
This is what I just do overnight to keep my hair moist. Take a headscarf. I'm gonna use this purple one. And boom. And then I just go to sleep. It's all that I do for my night routine, day routine, whatever. This is just what I do overnight when I'm about to go to sleep and I want my hair to be moisturized, or when I just washed my hair. This is what I do. So if you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below. I'm trying to hit 200 subscribers. Help your girl out, and comment down below what else you would like to see, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.